I'm always looking for new ways to incorporate wild salmon in my diet, and this is my go-to salmon salad right now. It's delicious, mayo-free, heart-healthy, simple to make. So to get started, let's work on the topping. I'm going to do a really quick pickled red onion, and that's nothing more than just sliced red onion, shooting for about half a cup. So that's usually about half of small red onion. And then to take sort of that raw onion burn off, I like to let it sit with a little bit of acid. And that is just your really quick pickle. So onion in a bowl. To that, add 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice. You could also do this with white wine vinegar if you wanted to. I like the lemon juice. Nice and bright. Ooh, that smells good. Depending on the size of your lemons, this will either be 1.5, 2 to get to the 1/4 cup. So we'll pour this over the sliced onions. And to that, add half a teaspoon of coarse salt. So give the onions, lemon, and salt a nice stir until it's combined. And we'll just let this stand on the counter for about half an hour. So it's been half an hour. You can see the onions are really a beautiful color of pink, tenderized, ready to go for the top of our toast. So let's make the salad here. Start with 2 tablespoons of chopped golden raisins. Then I have a half a cup of chopped celery. I love celery for its really fresh bite and flavor. Half a cup of chopped walnuts. So this salad is a twofer for heart health. You have the omega-3 healthy fatty acids in the walnuts as well as the salmon. So you are getting lots and lots of heart health here. Then a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. So this is one of my favorite sort of subs for mayonnaise. You get all the nice creamy flavor of mayonnaise, but you get more protein, less saturated fat. Love this. Then to that, 2 more tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This adds a nice amount of brightness, acidity. All right. Okay, so give this a nice stir. I'm gonna season it with just a little bit of salt. Cottage cheese is naturally pretty seasoned, so start with a small amount. A little bit of pepper. All right, so now we are ready for the star of the show, which is salmon. I have 5 ounces of cooked wild salmon here. This is a great salad if you made salmon the night before, you got some leftovers. This is also really great with tuna. If you have just regular jarred tuna, that's my favorite. I've even made this with sardines too. Really delicious, versatile. Just stick to about 2 cups of fish. I'm just gonna flake this up with forks here. So the fresh wild salmon season runs from about April to October, but that doesn't mean you have to only eat it then. You can definitely pick up wild frozen fillets. They are around in most grocery stores. And enjoy salmon all year long. In we go. Oh, this looks so nice already. This salad is good to go now. If you wanted to let this hang out in the fridge overnight, that would be great too. The nice thing about the golden raisins is the longer that it sits with this mixture, they become sort of more plump and tender. So this is a great make-ahead salad. To assemble, I have a nice piece of toasted whole grain bread here, and I will add a scoop of my salmon salad. And then to that, we'll add a few of the pickled red onions here. Ooh, so pretty. And then some fresh tender greens. I have a combination of watercress and baby kale, but feel free to use whatever you happen to have on hand. I really like the bite of the watercress with the richness of the salmon and the walnuts. Looks good. A little bit more salt, pepper, drizzle of olive oil. Oh, what a lovely tartine we have here. All right, this looks delicious. This makes a really fantastic lunch, one of my favorite breakfasts. Give it a slice down this center. And let's just go ahead and slice it again. Yum. right, let's give it a try. Make sure we got some greens on it. This is so fresh, so delicious and easy. Great way to incorporate heart-healthy fats into your diet. Can't wait for you to try it. Want more healthy recipes like this? Don't forget to like and subscribe.